Welcome to Abzena, San Diego. 3 state-of-the-art facilities built for rapid and reliable manufacturing and testing of biologics. From process development to GMP production and release, our experienced teams deliver high-quality programs that help our customers get life-changing medicines to patients faster. Our extensive process development capabilities are spread across 6,600 square feet of laboratory space, enabling seamless and successful scale-up from bench to GMP manufacture, and includes comprehensive support at all stages of development for a variety of molecules expressed from multiple mammalian cell types. With material harvested from our bioreactors, we develop and optimize your downstream process and provide early-stage material for analytic and formulation development to accelerate timelines. Analytical method development plays a critical role in ensuring the safety, efficacy, and quality of your final product. Our knowledgeable team of scientists develop analytical test methods and qualification protocols to ensure the production of high-quality and well-characterized material in order to generate the data needed to support successful IND, IMPD, and marketing applications. Our state-of-the-art, built-for-purpose GMP manufacturing facility has the production capacity to scale your program from 50 to 2,000 liters. Using the same equipment families from bench processes and leveraging single-use technologies, we can ensure an expedited path to the clinic. Our manufacturing facility contains 2 GMP process trains, a buffer prep suite, cell bank suite, and a bulk formulation suite. With both upstream and full downstream capabilities, our modular clean rooms feature continuous monitoring for differential pressure, temperature and relative humidity, and pass-through iris ports to prevent contamination. With capabilities to support clinical and commercial scale, we collaborate with your team to develop an efficient, scalable, validated, and cost-effective manufacturing process. Our QC analytical and microbiology laboratories are fully equipped to provide the comprehensive QC support needed to safeguard your program, including release testing, certificate of analysis generation, stability program management, and raw material and in-process testing. Our 22,000 square foot GMP warehouse has 3 walk-in freezers and a continuous temperature monitoring system to ensure your product is appropriately stored. Each package is inventoried using our electronic inventory management system, where raw materials are quarantined, released, and stored at its necessary requirements. When it comes time to transfer your program to a downstream supply chain partner, our program managers work as an extension of your team to ensure an on-time delivery so that your project timelines and goals are always met. Abzena, San Diego, your partner in providing comprehensive, high-quality, streamlined development and manufacturing support for your biologic programs. Let's work together to move medicines forward to patients faster.